How to fix Xiaomi 15 Bluetooth not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, you can see the option Bluetooth. Now click on it. And here you can enable or disable your Bluetooth. After enabling or disabling your Bluetooth, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and volume up button at the same time. Now swipe up to power off and then power on your phone again. After that, open settings again and then click on battery. And here you can see the option current mode. Now click on it. Here you can turn off your battery saver or ultra battery saver mode. After that, go back and then click on more connectivity options. Then scroll down and here you can see the option reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.